Hey guys. So, um, well, I think I should start by telling everyone who's watching where I currently am right now. So, if I could show, I would, but I have figured that when I pick my camera and turn it around or whatever. Oh no, I actually can. So, I'm at this. Well, first of all, it's a really nice cafe, but predominantly I'm at this beach. It's the Hoek van Holland Beach. Kill my pronunciation, but it's the Hoek van Holland Beach in Rotterdam. And anyway, I was just here to clear my head, but I'm totally ADHDing right now, so I'm gonna get to the point. So I wanted to make this video because I told myself that I'm gonna upload once every 2 weeks, and I think it has been 2 weeks, but since I made my last upload, but I haven't been keeping count, so I'm just going on with my instinct on this one. I don't know if it's been 2 weeks or not, but here we are. Anyway, so today I did not want to talk about anything specific. I just wanted to make this video to be on schedule. I do have a lot of things going on in my mind, like all the time. So if I were to make a 24/7 vlog, then I could potentially make a 24/7 vlog as well, where I'm talking all the time. But this is how it is right now. So anyway, I think I'll start by explaining a little bit about how I was, like, the things that were going on in my mind and how I was feeling when I got to this beach today. Like about, I don't know, like 30 minutes ago. And then I will make a little segue into doing something that I thought I would do initially, which I will get to in a while. So when I got here, I felt, and this is the way that I felt about a lot, not like a lot of things, but this is the way that I have felt about so my perspective has been like that forever, for like the longest of time. I have never not felt any other way, except for the past few months, where because I felt that I have reached a point, that I was supposed to reach, and a point that was my goal to reach. And because of that, I had my mind let go of all its anxiety. And since it let go of all its anxiety, I did not feel how I was feeling, how I've always felt, and how I was feeling like today. So what happens is that when I look out to like beautiful surroundings, or out of my balcony, or out of a bus, or out into the ocean, or out into the sky, or whatever, I feel like there's a layer of thoughts, and a layer of anxious thoughts, but more or less thoughts that's in between my vision and the surroundings. And this might not be like a very relatable thing to a lot of you, because if people have been like that for forever, that is all they know, and they don't know that there's a different way to live. So they don't know that there's a different way to live, and so they just don't know that there's this layer between their vision and the surroundings. But for me, I have observed that there is also a different way to live, and which is not to have that layer between your vision and the surroundings. And I'm telling you that that's better, right? And what I think it is, because I haven't consulted a professional on this, because, well, I just haven't. What I think it is anxiety. It's thoughts that you just cannot stop thinking about, and that your attention cannot get away from, because your mind perceives them to be so important. Because your mind, the way that our minds have evolved, they are first trained to put their attention onto keeping themselves safe. They're first trained to put their attention onto the fear, so that you can keep yourself safe and ensure your survival. And for me, a lot of my thoughts and like the thoughts that have been ingrained into my brain all throughout my upbringing, they are based on fear. They're thoughts like the normal situations that most of us face around us on a day to day were not normal situations for me, because I was a very insecure kid, and so I always used to think way too much about what other people are thinking of me, will think of me if I do something or say something. And they could be like the smallest of things. It doesn't even have to be something major as going on a stage and performing. It could just be like maybe saying hi to someone, maybe making a joke, maybe asking a question in class, etc., etc. So anyway, these kind of thoughts in my brain take over, in the sense that I'm really not able to think about anything else, and I'm also not able to tell myself that you do not really, I mean, I'm able to tell myself that, but it really rarely works. I'm not even able to tell myself that you can just choose to stay in this moment, right? Like, you don't have to worry about what some random person is going to say or think about you tomorrow or yesterday, or what they did, or sometime in the future, or for things that I don't even know if I would be doing. And that is what I was feeling when I was at this beach. I felt that there was this layer between me and the surroundings, and I was going crazy because, well, I was going a little bit crazy, but I was trying not to go as crazy as I used to before, because before I used to think that if I'm thinking like this right now, like if I'm not able to focus purely on whatever's actually around me, like this pizza right now, whatever's actually around me, then I won't ever be able to do that in the future as well. But now I know what that is, because back then I didn't know what that layer was, and I was just like, oh, I'm not able to see something or perceive something as in like HD, you know, in HD. I knew that there was something more to it than what I was seeing, and so it was always just suppressed under a layer of anxiety. But now I know what it is, because I've had the experience of having it and then not having it, and then having it a little bit, so you're able to differentiate. And I try to focus on my breath, and I try to like get myself back into the present moment. But it was still bothering me, because you know, you get into this thinking that I should have surpassed this phase till now. I mean, I think I surpassed this. Okay, so you go that I think I was over it. I think I conquered this. I think I have healed through this, or I think I have gone through this, right? And I think I did. At least I used to think that I did, but I clearly have not. And so that was one thing that was bothering me. But my past thinking, which said that this is it keeps on going, it keeps on going, and it keeps on going, like you're having these thoughts, and oh my god, you're not able to blah blah, that made me even more anxious. But now that I know that it's temporary, and I also know what it is, so that it doesn't seem as scary as it used to before, I also have moments of complete and utter peace. So it's like there's this black area and there's this white area, and before I was always in the black area, and now I'm at least like swinging between the black and the white, and the black and the white. So the white moments are moments of complete presence. Like, they are so, okay, maybe I'm exaggerating. So the so amazing moments are literally like 2 a day, and they're very, very, like, I would want the frequency to increase a lot more than how many there are right now. But I still have moments where I'm in like a gray that is very close to the white, and even that feels pretty good, to be honest. Like, out of black, even that feels pretty good. And so, I mean, the pure white, the day that I like start living the pure white all day, that would be amazing. But I don't even know if, as of now, I feel like there's a long way for me to go to get there. Anyway, but yeah, so the good thing is that I also had those moments at the beach where I was completely able to feel the wind, see the ocean, see a ferry leaving for England, and actually be in awe of it because it was such a big goddamn ship. I don't think I've ever seen a ship that's that big. Um, I was oh I was able to, well, I pet a horse, and it's been a lot of years since I've done that, and I I really felt the sand on my feet, I also picked it up, so it felt really nice. And now I'm sitting at this cafe, which is a really cute cafe, which I showed before beginning this video, and I'm gonna try and stay all or as close to white as possible as I finish this pizza. But I think that's all for this video. That's how much it's gonna be for this video, because I also have a meeting that I am supposed to start in, well, 5 minutes. But yeah, it was really nice talking to you guys. Thank you and bye bye.